Leo ni Simba.
Wenyewe.
Huyu ndio Simba.
Ukiambiwa
akiwa gavana na hata akiwa baba.
Huyu ndio Simba, watajua.
yani
Hata na baba.
In which case, there are two
The rescue zone is the application for rescue zone.
in your application.
My own application. When I was worried the time of the proceedings, at times used to proceed until 10 p.m., 8 p.m. when it's dark using torches. But now I've seen a circular from the CJ that we may, you have the authority of proceeding beyond working hours. You know, I was worried. I didn't know which instructions you had when we were proceeding at night. So in that consultation time I needed my lawyers, maybe we might come with a different solution.
I thought you were saving the court's time.
So maybe we might save the cost time and proceed with the case after consulting to my lawyers. Maybe the only problem that will be there, Your Honor, I think you are forgetting. You have handled them. I've appeared before you as a complainant. And that time you ruled
You
against
are
me.
now responding to this application.
Oh, okay. So, just on record, last point, why I was emotional. While I was at the DCS office, after being served the summons in this court, the officers asked me to withdraw an affidavit and file in the High Court against one Christina Pratt, who is the president's sister. Then when I refused, they framed up those assault charges. So for the record of the court, it's very important to know that. Thank you, Honor.
Those summons were not with us. Our counsel will not proceed on your own.
Yeah.
That is the only
I'm
thing.
fine with that.
Yes.
So Your Honor, say before that I was detained with a different offense that was not indicated in the summons. Because the offense in the summons, Your Honor, was or to give information or to record a statement on an offense undermining a public officer, under section 132, and incitement to violence. But they decided to charge me with an offense of assault. And assault, according to them, that happened even before I took plea on this case, in this particular case I'm facing. And assault that happened in, as per the allegations, May 2019.
Yes.
So I was detained, despite the offense being bailable, assault. I was denied police bail and locked at Mutailo police station. I was in court yesterday deny the charges. The prosecution objected to my release on bail. So the ruling is tomorrow, Your Honor.
So you have finished it tomorrow.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which court?
Kiambu.
Just compose yourself. It's good to compose yourself so that you don't forget anything. So, wait for what?
Wait for Your Honor. I need at least a week or two to consult with Dr. Hamino, and then we can proceed with this matter, Your Honor. Maybe Mr. Yamu. We have not had enough time, Your Honor, to consult. So I need more time, Your Honor. Based on my current position, I've been in custody.
Don't cry, don't cry.
I can't cry, Your Honor. I'm always emotional, Your Honor.
Compose yourself. I need more time.
Yeah, I'm praying for more time so that I can consult with Dr. Hamino and other lawyers so that we can proceed with this matter, Your Honor. I'm not crying, Your Honor. It's very painful, Your Honor. So,
You're shedding tears, so let's cool down.
thank you, Your Honor.
That is all. I think that is all for us.
Thank you.
Let's hear the response. Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, with the permission from my landlord, Simi, we would suggest that 14 days would suffice. If you could measure the matter, if the matter could be measured in 14 days, so that you may have time, even as he gets directions tomorrow on how the bail application will go, to ascertain as to whether in 14 days you'll have had time to sit down, settle on the lawyers representing,
Yeah?
settle on the lawyers that are going to be presenting.
What have you said in 14 days?
In 14 days, probably we could measure the matter in 14. If the matter could be measured in 14 days from today,
Yeah, for mention.
hoping that in that time, he'll have been able to settle down on the lawyers that are going to be presented, and also give them time to even read through the proceedings. I'm meant to understand that already 10 witnesses have testified, for them to get to know what they're getting into. So, Your Honor, 14 days would be good time for us to measure the matter in view of the circumstances that the accused persons.